Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing this case right here. So let's just open up the box and see what's inside. Now this is for an iPhone 12 Pro Max. And we're going to see how it fits on and everything. It's pretty nicely packaged because I didn't like the box that came a little damaged, but what's inside is what counts. Now we do get some instructions, which is good, I guess. Oh, this looks nice. Okay, first impression, way nicer than I thought. It does come with a screen protector, which is exactly what I needed. Yep, pretty nice case. Yeah, can't wait to put it on. Alright, so in order to take this out, let me just put this on the side, because it looks really secure. It's usually in the bottom. You just open this up like so. Then we can usually just open this up, because it is a separate layer. There we go. It snap out. And we have this right here. Oh, we have another. That's perfect. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take this iPhone Pro 12 and we're gonna go Pro 12 Max, I should say, not just Pro 12. Take this out and we're gonna place it right on. Well, obviously before we do that, always tell you guys to clean your screen, because to take it out and put it in your case is not the easiest thing in the world. It's not hard either, but it's not that easy. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on. There we go, it fits pretty well. Yeah, fits pretty well around it. I do have access here, here, here. Anyways, we're gonna see that once I actually put it on the case itself. So right now I'm just gonna do that exactly. I'm gonna go ahead and place this here. Now don't worry about this. This is only if we don't want the screen protector. If we want to put our own screen protector or no screen protector, we can place this on top of our iPhone. However, you will want this screen protector. And we're gonna go ahead, place this the right side first of all. And we're gonna push it in. Oh, we should do the bottom first, obviously. There we go, bottom. We just snap it in. It actually snapped in pretty easy. I thought it was going to be a little more difficult, but that's actually great. Okay. So the phone itself is massive, so there's nothing really I can do about that. Now when it comes down to the screen protector, I can tell you it's not getting in my way of doing anything on my phone itself. Yeah, it feels fine. It feels fine, actually, as a screen protector. I usually don't like the built-in screen protectors with cases. However, this one's okay. Usually they leave way too much of a gap between the screen protector that's built into the case itself and the phone. In this case, I can tell you that's not the case. There's no bubbles. I don't see that much space between it. I don't have to press hard on it or anything like that. It's very lightly touching and it works fine. So it's not affecting that. Other than that, around the case, I can see that it protects it pretty well. I mean, this is here, but it's not in the way of my speakers, power, or Siri. It's working just fine. On the top, there's nothing, so that's fine. Right here, I have access. Of course, it's kind of hard to get your finger in there and then just, yeah, it's kind of hard, but you can. You do have access to that. The volume keys are working just fine. Yep. And one of the most important things for me, camera. This cannot get in the way of pictures or anything. So with really bulky cases, that could get in the way of lenses. And I can tell you that this one doesn't, and we can test it out right now actually to show you that it's okay. So if I open up my case, there shouldn't be any black around it or anything around the edges. Let me just zoom out. Yep, with the zoomed out, I don't see any black edges on anywhere. If I zoom in, I shouldn't see that either. Yep, it looks fine. There's no black edges anywhere. So I like this. I like what I see so far. Yep, for sure. It looks fine. Actually, it looks really, really good. So that the case itself is not getting in the way of the camera, which is something that's really important. Now, what I can tell you about the case, it feels good. So I like when cases, you see how they go a little bit above the screen? See the little gap? That's the case that you want. So if this falls, the case will actually hit the floor and not your phone. When your phone goes above your case a little bit, so your screen goes a little bit above, that means your screen's gonna hit the floor before. So that protects it a little bit more. Obviously edges, we want this to be, because usually it's the edges that get hurt, and there's this extra protection here. So I like that too about it. Feels pretty heavy duty. So again, here's a look around the entire case. This one's black, looks pretty good to me. I like the way it looks. Again, it's a heavy duty case, and that's exactly what you want to protect such an expensive iPhone for sure. So this is exactly the type of case that I would recommend. And having Poetic cases, well, mostly for my iPads, I can tell you they do pretty well. I will be doing a review on the case itself to see how much it can take and how long they actually survive. From what I can tell you, you guys can watch my other videos on other cases and those reviews, so you guys can see long-term reviews of other cases and even other Poetic cases. But for now, that would be it for this video. I would give it a thumbs up. I like the case. I like the fact that it comes with this other thing. So if you don't like the screen protector, you can go for with your own, or you can take out the screen protector. Always suggest having a screen protector anyways. But that's it for this case. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.